Have you ever looked at StashAway and wondered, is this thing a trading platform or what? I mean, it sounds like it, right? With all that talk about investing and growing your money, it's easy to get confused. But let's dive deep and uncover the truth. What is StashAway? Before we jump into the trading question, let's quickly recap what StashAway is. Essentially, it's an investment platform that aims to make investing simple and accessible for everyone. They offer various investment options, from robo-advisory services to ready-made portfolios. Brief visuals of StashAway's features: robo-advisory, ready-made portfolios. Now, back to the burning question, is StashAway a trading platform? To answer that, we need to understand the difference between trading and investing. Trading is about buying and selling assets frequently, often with the goal of making short-term profits. It's like playing a fast-paced game of buying low and selling high. Investing, on the other hand, is about buying and holding assets for the long term. It's about growing your wealth over time, rather than making quick bucks. Think of it as planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. So, where does StashAway fit in? StashAway is definitely not a trading platform. Their focus is on long-term investing. They use algorithms to build and manage diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. You don't get to pick individual stocks or bonds, the platform does it for you. This hands-off approach is great for beginners or people who don't have the time or expertise to manage their investments themselves. It's like having a personal financial advisor without the hefty fees. The benefits of StashAway's approach. Investing through a platform like StashAway offers several advantages. First, it's diversified, which means your money is spread across different assets, reducing risk. Second, it's rebalanced automatically, ensuring your portfolio stays aligned with your goals. And third, it's often more affordable than traditional investment methods. Diversified portfolio chart, rebalancing graph, cost comparison chart. However, it's important to note that past performance is not indicative of future results. Investing involves risks, and you could lose money. Is StashAway right for you? So, is StashAway right for you? If you're looking for a hands-off, long-term investment solution and you're comfortable with some level of risk, then it might be a good option. But if you're looking to actively trade stocks and make quick profits, StashAway is definitely not the platform for you. Pros and cons list for StashAway. It's always a good idea to do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. To sum it up, StashAway is not a trading platform. It's an investment platform designed for long-term wealth growth. While it offers a convenient and affordable way to invest, it's essential to understand your financial goals and risk tolerance before diving in. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.